Well, that was a lot of fun visiting all those butterflies. You know, it felt like they were all around us, and then we got home and took a look at the pictures, and some of them just didn't show up the way we thought they would. But it was fun, and we thought you'd enjoy seeing some of the butterflies we've made out of stained glass. So, this one right here is the one from our car. See the little spring on it? It bounces around, and it's kind of a bee. It's a little short body, kind of like it. We've done some others, different ones, and they're not as superior as this great one right here. And look how good he bounces around as we drive along. He keeps tempo. And so, Jeannie, tell us about your.
Okay, we've also made some butterflies, and so these are some butterflies that we've made. This one and a couple of these are for plants, and so we just put them on a piece of copper. And what do you call that? Just copper, not tube?
No, this is electric wire.
Electric wire, okay. And we've got a mold to make the body out of the solder, and so that's kind of fun. There's different ones. Here's a red and clear one. David's got a little orange one and a pink one. So those are quite fun.
And look how fun it is. The fact that we put the antennas on, that was a little stroke of inspiration.
And then this one is a little bit bigger. It's I like it, but I don't know, not as much. There's not as many places you can put it. But hey, maybe on your back porch.
But the wire has to be like this, because if you don't have a curve in your wire, then the butterfly tips. But if you put a curve in there, then it hangs and dangles pretty well.
Okay, awesome.
So that's our little journey into butterfly land. It was fun going out there to the museum. If you live in the area, you might want to consider going out there yourself. And thanks for being with us. Talk to you later.